Hey y'all, it's Johnny with RV-SWAT again. Welcome to another episode of the RV Kitchen. Today we're going to put together something I'm going to call, I guess we'll call it the RV Low Country Boil. So we was craving seafood and we're in South Dakota. South Dakota seafood's kind of scarce, so I can't have a good crawfish ball or anything like that up here. But what we're going to do is I picked up some frozen seafood. We got some shrimp, some mussels, some snow crab, some potatoes, and some Old Bay, which isn't my Zatarain's crab ball or anything, but we're going to make do with Old Bay. And we're going to use a little wine. Use whatever wine you want. This is actually a Moscato wine. Use any white wine that you want to use. Alright, first thing we're going to do, get some butter in the pot, get some fire going. And as you can see, we're not cooking in an Instant Pot tonight. Now, for those of you that are faithful Instant Pot users in the RV, you can do this recipe in the Instant Pot if you want. When it gets to the point where we put the lid on and steam this down, if you're doing it in an Instant Pot, you're going to pressure it for about only a minute or two and then do a quick release on the pressure. Okay? Alright, we're going to get this butter melted down. Alright, so we're going to get that melted down. Alright, we want a little bit of onion in here. And I don't have any onion or green onion in the refrigerator, so today you will be introduced to my Thrive cabinet, which I've shown way back in the introductory video. So we'll use some of it today. So if you look right up here, Thrive cabinet. So we're going to use some onion slices, a couple onion slices, and we'll use some green onions from Thrive. Now, if you want to know more about Thrive, and you'll see how I use it, but how I use this part of it anyway. If you want to know more about Thrive, I will put a link in the comment below. You can click and go check out all the Thrive products. We use it a lot. I think it's one of the best things invented for full-time RVers, but that's just my opinion. So you can go check it out if you like. The link will be down below. So what we'll do is throw a little bit in the pot and we'll add a little water. So Thrive is freeze-dried foods, fresh freeze-dried, not like a lot of the stuff you find. This is flash frozen as soon as it's picked. So this is the onion slices. Ah, it smells so good. But anyway, enough about my love for Thrive. We're gonna throw a little bit of the onion into the pot. We're gonna throw a little bit green onion into the pot. And we're going to add a little water because means it's dehydrated or freeze dried, sorry. We're going to add some water to let those rehydrate a little bit and saute. So I just want to add a little onion flavor to the broth that we're going to make to do the seafood in. So we're going to get these hydrated and sweat it down a little bit. Beautiful. Put the Thrive back in the Thrive cabinet. And you can see in here that there's everything from Thrive. Carrots and green peppers and red peppers and tomatoes and broccoli and corn and apples and all the mother sauces. Look at this, bechamel, tomato, meats. We got ground meats, chicken, sausage, cheeses, scrambled eggs. That's all kinds of stuff, but that's all for another video. Can't show you too much at once. Can't give all our secrets away. Okay, onions are smelling good. They're nice and rehydrated now. And I didn't have to chop, I didn't have to peel, I didn't have to do nothing. That's one of the biggest things I love about Thrive. No prep time. Okay. We got little red potatoes. Alright, what I'm going to do, add a little more water to this. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it and let the potatoes get almost fork tender on their own before we add the seafood. Alright, so the potatoes have been steaming probably about 10 minutes. So they're getting pretty tender. So we're going to go ahead and throw everything else in the pot that we need. We're going to start with some wine. Some Old Bay seasoning. And some lemon juice. Stir that up. Alright, so like I said, we're not putting a bunch of water, we're not submerging everything and boiling. We're just putting a little bit of liquid at the bottom to create some steam. And just get that liquid all seasoned up the way you like. I said I'm not going to put amounts of Old Bay and, well, I mean, it's basically how much seafood you have and how much seasoning you like. So you can always taste the water and see if it has enough seasoning for you. Alright, we're going to leave that one just like that. Now let's put the seafood in the pot. I'm just going to add some more Old Bay to the top of the seafood. Alright. Put the lid on it. Let that start steaming. We'll steam that for about 5 to 7 minutes. We'll come back and check it out. Should be ready to eat. So everything's been steaming about another 10 minutes since we put the seafood in. Ooh, this smells good. Oh yeah. Mussels are opened up. Shrimp's good. Everything looks tasty. So we're going to get it out the pot and get it on a plate. And there you have it. RV Country Boil. Got us some melted butter. And we're going to give it a shot. Try the shrimp first. Another keeper. Let's go in. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.